ARMYs were completely unprepared for this. After all this time, a hidden message believed to have been written by Jungkook and D, specifically addressed to Taehyung, has finally been revealed. The message was discovered by observant fans, hidden behind a small detail that had previously escaped the public's attention. In one of BTS's behind-the-scenes concert video, Jungkook was seen writing something in his notebook before a performance. No more one realized what it meant until recently, when the same piece of writing resurfaced in his personal vlog. After comparing it, fans discovered a sentence that melted their hearts. To someone who always understands even without words, many ARMYs believe the sentence was intended for Taehyung, Jungkook's best friend and colleague since their trainee days. The two are known to be very close, but they have also gone through difficult times behind the scenes. As soon as this news broke, social media exploded. Fans wrote thousands of touching messages, expressing the sincerity and the depth of their friendship. Is this really Jungkook's personal message to Taehyung? Only the two of them now. But one thing is for sure, those simple words have touched the hearts of millions of people around the world. It didn't stop there. Some fans who investigated further began to find another clue. In one of Jungkook's solo songs, the lyrics are said to describe a sincere friendship yet full of hidden meaning. Lines like "You always see me when I'm lost" are thought to have a strong connection to Taehyung, someone who was always there when Jungkook felt tired and distressed. What makes it all the more touching is that in an old interview, Taehyung once said with a small smile, "Sometimes, we don't need to tell. There are people who understand just by looking into your eyes." Those words feel different now. Fans believe that we truly understand each other in a way not everyone can. Relationship that goes beyond mere friendship on stage. When this hidden message went viral, many fans admitted to crying after reading the interpretation and the story behind it. Comments like, "Their friendship is too sincere for the entertainment world," and "This isn't just fan service. This is a real bond," flooded social media. Some ARMYs even made compilation video of their journey together, from their trainee days, backstage laughs, to meaningful silent moments. All of those moments now feel even more profound, as if every smile, every look, held a meaning only the two of them understood. Now, after that message was revealed, the world seems to be reminded of the true meaning of connection. How someone can harbor warm feelings silently, without needing many words. And for Jungkook and Taehyung, perhaps that's the most honest form of affection. While the world is busy with the spotlight, busy schedules, and the pressures of popularity, Jungkook and Taehyung prove one simple thing, that behind the glitz. Now, every time Taehyung looks at Jungkook on stage, fans will remember those words. To someone who always understands even without words, simple words, but carrying such profound meaning. And perhaps, behind all the songs, smiles, and the moments captured on camera, that message will always live on, a little secret understood only by the two of them. And by the hearts of the millions of fans who love them so deeply. As time passes, many things will likely change. They will continue to grow, walking their own paths, discovering new meanings to their lives and dreams. However, there's one thing that will never fade: the memories they've created together. Every laugh backstage, every meaningful glance on stage, all feel even more precious now. Because beneath the spotlights and the roar of the crowd, there's a warmth so human, a mutual understanding without the need for much speak. And perhaps that's why millions of fans around the world are so touched. They see not just two idols, but two sincere hearts, silently caring for each other. Jungkook's message isn't just written on paper, but a symbol of true friendship, about how someone can understand, without always having to say it. One day, when they look back, perhaps they'll smile and they say to themselves, "Yes, we've been through it all together." And for the fans who have witnessed the journey from beginning to end, that message will always be a reminder that true connections never disappear. They only change form, becoming lasting memories. And as the screen slowly dims, and their voices are no more longer audible in the room, all that remains is silence, a warm silence, because within it are traces of a story so sincere. The story of two friends who support each other selflessly. The story of two hearts learning to understand that not all affection needs to be expressed, because some feelings are more beautiful when kept in secret. For Jungkook and Lee Taehyung, the world may continue to change, but the meaning of togetherness will always remain the same. Every stage, every song, every smile is a small form of gratitude they never expressed directly. And for those of you who witnessed it, that message is a valuable lesson. The true love and the friendship don't need many words, just honesty, loyalty, and the hearts that remain close to each other, even when distance separates them. So, behind all the rumors, the spotlight, and the hustle and the bustle of the entertainment world, there's one thing that can be fake: sincerity. And that's what keeps their relationship special. Not because of what it looks like, but because of what it feels. Maybe one day, they'll sit together again, laughing like they used to, without cameras, without an audience. Just two friends remembering each other. That among all the memories, there's one message that never changes. And as dusk slowly fell, they might stare at each other for a moment, without needing to see much, without explaining anything. Maybe the world isn't the same anymore. Maybe time has taken them in different directions. But there's something that distance or time can't touch. A mutual understanding born from a pure heart. Every song they sing, every laugh they share, will always carry a fragment of that memory. And even though life goes on, there will always be a small place in their hearts that only each other can feel. Because in the end, it's not how long they've been together that matters, but how they remember each other. Without words, without explanations. Simply with a feeling that never goes away. And for every fan who watched this story grow, they learned something beautiful. That a true relationship isn't measured by how often it's seen, but by how deeply it's felt. Even when the world has changed, perhaps, deep down, Jungkook and Lee Taehyung know that some bonds aren't meant to be understood, but to be cherished, silently forever. And on a quiet day, perhaps only that to if them knew how precious every little moment they shared was. A look, a smile, a word never spoken, all became part of a story that could only be felt. Not everything needs to be heard by the world. Some messages only need to live in the heart, becoming a sweet, eternal secret. And a silent witness to a sincere friendship. And for those of you who witnessed it, the message was a reminder that true relationships are not measured by spotlights or applause, but by hearts that remain close, even though time and the distance separate. Because in the end, some bonds are born to be silent, but live forever. Even though the world keeps moving, and the stage lights are always changing, something remains the same. A bond that can be measured in words or time. Every time they look at each other, every time that laughter rings out behind the scenes, there's an inexplicable feeling, a mutual understanding born from the heart, not from words or explanations. And for the fans, that message is a lesson in itself. The true love, friendship, and the closeness don't always have to be expressed or shown. Some things just need to be felt, just enough to be kept in the heart, and enough to be believed in or live on. Even though the world keeps changing, maybe one day they'll sit together again, laughing like old times, reminiscing about the long journey. And once again, with just one smile, they'll understand each other without needing many words. Because in the end, some bonds are born to be silent, but remain eternal. And when the stage lights go out, when the cheers of the audience fade, they will still have one thing that remains eternal. A bond that time cannot touch. And a message that doesn't need to be spoken to be understood. Perhaps the world will never know everything they feel. Perhaps not all eyes will see, and not all ears will hear. But that never mattered, because what mattered was that they understood each other, and that was enough. And amidst all the noise, all the cheers, and all the flashing lights, there are quiet moments that only they understand. Moments where a look at each other says more than 1,000 words. And a small smile can soothe all the burdens they feel. The world may see them as adults, but to each other, they are just two friends, learning to walk together through challenges, joy, and sorrows. Every step they take, every song they sing, holds a small fragment of that bond. A fragment that isn't seen by the camera, but felt in the hearts, both by themselves Andy but the millions of fans show understand that warmth. Andy in the end, the hidden message isn't just about words. It's about feelings that linger, about loyalty that never fades. Andy about the magic of true friendship. They may not always be by each other's side. Andy the world may continue to change, but one thing remains certain, that some bonds are born to be silent, but never truly lost. Andy for every fan who witnessed this journey, that message is a simple but beautiful lesson. The true love, friendship, and the understanding don't always need words, they just need to be felt, cared for, and loved.